All right, what is going on, guys? So today we'll be making a quick and easy what do you call it, a converter or a calculator, and we're going to be using Python for this quick little project. We're going to be building a Fahrenheit to Celsius converter slash calculator. So whatever you put in Fahrenheit, it will be converted into Celsius. So let's quickly get rid of this print hello world, because that's not going to do anything for us. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is to define the temperature. So temp equals float. So we're going to take out the closing bracket, because that is going to break our code if we leave it there. And then we're going to put something along the lines of enter the temperature for Fahrenheit. Oops, Fahrenheit like that. Make sure you put an extra parenthesis at the end, so that makes up for the input part. So now we know that's closing input. Next, we're going to want to put a quick little formula for Celsius. So temperature is minus 32 times 5, times 5 divided by 9. That should do it. Okay. Next, we're going to want to do, at the end, we're going to put print, parenthesis, F. Okay. I'm going to put a curly bracket here at temp. And then we have to put a quick little dialogue here. Fahrenheit, keep putting that, is equal to the Celsius, the variable Celsius, in Celsius. Okay, and then we're gonna have to put a call it not apostrophe, quotation mark with the closing bracket. Let's see if I did this correctly. In terms of Fahrenheit, let's put 33, and there you go. You see 33 in Fahrenheit is equal to 0.55556 in Celsius. So we see that we did the formula correctly. We put the 3 lines of code and it works well. So the main thing you just have to be a little careful of is making sure that, the brackets are not, misplaced. Because a lot of times when you write something like on input, if you can see the input right here, it automatically, let's try it right now. It automatically puts, closing brackets for you, which can be kind of annoying when you don't want it. So it's like if I put, wait, what is it doing? There you go. See, just gotta be careful and make sure that the closing brackets are on the right spots. Otherwise, it will break your code. So it can be really tedious and a little bit, you have to be meticulous and kind of detailed to the point where everything is, spot on. But the more you practice, the better you'll get at it. So it's just a matter of repetition and just keep practicing. So my advice, if anyone's starting out, just start with this and try to code it by yourself to the point where you don't need to look or check anywhere online, so you can know it by heart. And once you feel confident enough to write the code by yourself easily, you can move on to other projects and then just easily do those. And then once you get those down, you can move on to more complex things that require more lines of code. So it's just good to have in your set of skills, in your arsenal of skills, and it builds a lot of confidence. And yeah, it just gives you confidence and knowing like, oh, okay, I can make a converter or a calculator in Python. And yeah, and then you can move on to more complex stuff. You can go to compiled languages like Java or whatever you're looking for. But this for me was really helpful in learning things like how to put in formulas and understanding the math part of coding, and just understanding the syntax, really, because that helps a lot. Because if you have syntax errors, your code's just not going to run, period, at all. So this helps a lot with understanding how to place the syntax and knowing what goes where. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to comment if you have any questions or just want to comment or leave a like or subscribe. And yeah, until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.